I came to this programme with very little knowledge about the medical application process as a whole, and I found it very reassuring that I always had a programme and somebody to fall back on. Whenever I did have a question, I'd either refer to the hundreds of videos that are on the website, or I'd wait for the next webinar, that happened weekly, and different people from different universities who bring their individual experiences, which educate us on different parts of the admissions tests, for example the BMAT and the UCAT, and I found that very individualised. And speaking of individualised, my top choice of university is Oxford, and I was paired with a tutor who'd help me go through individual questions from the admissions tests, review my personal statement, answer any questions I had about the university as a whole to really consolidate whether or not I wanted to go there, as well as give me real interview questions. So I feel like no stone was left unturned, and I got a whole breadth of knowledge about not only the individual medical school that I really wanted to go to, but the entire medical application process as a whole. And it's a very safe environment where in the webinars I felt like I could answer any question I wanted without being judged, because we all were there for a same common goal, and oftentimes I felt like I didn't even need to ask a question because they were all covered from the get-go. So all in all, this programme has really ironed out my weaknesses and almost driven me more towards my goal.